Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in Chuwi HiPad Max. And to do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here if we try to find something like Call of Duty or most other games, there will be visible, but when we click on them nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to go back to the homepage of Google Play Store, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Enter Family, go for Parental Controls, and here either disable Parental Controls entirely or switch to Apps and Games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we go back and look for the game again, they're right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.